Hello there, this is Mike Earn, and I'll be doing some analysis today. I'll be analyzing the Euro USD, GBPUSD, USDCHF, and the USDJPY currency pairs in this video. But first, before we go into the business of the day, I'd like to let you know that I provide free signals, free forex trading signals on the Mike Earn Telegram channel. So if you'd like to get a hold of that, you can connect, and that's by you can connect by going to the description below. The link is in the description below. The link to the Telegram channel, to the Mike Earn Telegram channel, is in the description below. Go ahead and copy the link, paste it in your browser, and visit the link and visit the site, and you'll be taken to the channel. Join the channel and then wait for signals. Yes, the yeah, you'll be getting really highly profitable trading signals. Yes, I know what I'm talking about. You'll be getting highly profitable trading signals that will take your trading to the highest level of profitability. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and use the link, join the Mike Earn channel, copy the link, paste it in your browser, and join the and use the and visit the site, and it will take you to the Telegram channel. Yes, join the Telegram channel and wait for signals. Yeah, so that is that for the free signals. They will really help you. They really take your trading to the highest level of profitability. Now, also I offer account management service. If you would like to subscribe to my account management service, my direct Telegram contact is in the description below. So you copy the link as well, paste it in your browser, visit the site, and also it will lead you to my DM, my Telegram DM. Chat me up and let me know that you would like to subscribe to the account management service, and I'll let you know how to go about it. It's really profitable. I don't take any trade, or I don't post any trade on the signal I don't post any signal that I don't take myself. And also for the account management service, I only make money when I make money for you. So the responsibility is on me to deliver, right? So if you like to join any of those services or be part of any of the services I render, you know what to do. Go to the description below and do as you should, and let me know if you like to get your account management service. Let me know if you like to go um for the free signals. Join the MyCan channel as well. So let's go into the business of the day. We're starting with the Euro USD currency pair. So let's take a look at the weekly time frame. What's the weekly time frame telling us? We've seen price break above this previous high. We've seen price break above this previous high. Let me zoom in a little. We've seen price break above this previous high, and price is still pushing higher. So probably this is a sign that a bullish trend is in play. Well, let's see what the analysis. Let's see what our expectations should look like. So this would be my prediction. If you see price come into this 1.16062 zone, and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone. If we see price come into that zone, maybe closed above, and then we now get another candle that does a bearish day close, the previous candle might close above or below, right? But that bearish day close candle is very important. So if we get a candle that gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then you can look for an opportunity to sell the market. Yes, it's looking very bullish, but you can look for an opportunity to sell using that day close, the bearish day close candle as your risk candle. You can just go for a one-to-one risk reward. You can go for a one-to-one risk reward using that bearish day close candle as your risk candle. Yeah, for the sell, because it's a very bullish market, and when it comes to that, when it comes to selling in a bullish market, you have to be careful. Well, I would not say it's a confirmed bullish market yet, but I would say it's still currently very bullish. So you do not, price so far has been quite bullish in the past weeks, right? So you don't want to overstay your welcome. So just go for a one-to-one sell if that meets your own trading confirmation. Don't forget, don't trade any of this if it doesn't meet your own personal trading confirmation. So for a sell scenario, if we see price, if we see price come into this zone, I think that's a good zone. That would be one good zone, or this one, yeah. So if you see price come into either of the 1.10948 or the 1.10, no, the 1.08293 zones, if we see price come into either of those zones and gives us a bullish day close at either of those zones, then I'll suggest that you go for a buy. Yeah, I'll suggest you go for a buy. You can go for a one-to-one, right? You can go for a one-to-one, or if you really want to, if you're really sure that it's a bullish market, if you are willing to take that risk, you can go for more than that. But I would suggest that you go for a one-to-one. Just go for a one-to-one buy for now, right? Go for a one-to-one buy. If you get that, if you see price come into this zone or this zone and then it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, you can go for a buy using the risk candle as your using the day close candle as your risk candle. Go for a one-to-one risk reward. Yes, and that will be easy. I mean, how am I gonna say it? That will be that will be all when it comes to that. Just go for one-to-one and that will be all. But it's up to you. If it meets your own trading confirmation to go for more than that, it's up to you. You can go ahead and do that. Yeah, so something I wanted to add. Yeah, so if it doesn't meet your own personal trading confirmation, don't go for it. Please don't forget that. So let's go for the GBPUSD now. So let's see what's happening. GBPUSD. What's happening in the GBPUSD? Well, price has come into the previous high. So price is still close to the previous high. And so price is currently at the previous high area. So what should we be looking forward to? Now, this is what I'll suggest. That if we see price push in, we see price still push in and come back into this 1.34280 or 208 zone. If we see price pushing and come back into this 1.34208 zone and then gives us a bearish day close below that zone, if we see price give us a bearish day close below that zone, right, we can go for a sell. We can go for a one-to-one sell right there. You can go for a one-to-one sell right there. Yeah, for a one-to-one sell right there. If we see price give us that, if we see price give us a bearish day close below that zone, we can go for a one-to-one sell. Yeah, so that will be for the bearish scenario. Now for a bullish scenario, I wouldn't like to take any trade around these zones. If price comes into any of these zones, soon, if price comes into any of these zones very soon, without going further, without giving a further extended move, if price comes in like from this area into the zone, I don't think I'll be looking for any trade here. So yeah, so if I see price come into this zone, this 1.24344 zone, and then it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a buy. Go for a one-to-one buy in that scenario as well. You can go for a one-to-one buy. I hope you understand that. Go for a one-to-one buy in that scenario. If price comes into this zone and then gives a bullish day close above that zone, you can go for a one-to-one buy using the bullish day close candle as your risk candle. Yeah, so don't forget, you only take any of these trades if they meet your own personal trading confirmation. So let's go to the USDCHF. Now for USDCHF, the weekly time frame makes it clear to us that the market is bearish. We saw the market range for some time from this area. We saw price come into this zone. We saw price return again, and then price come back into that zone, and then we saw price return to that resistance, that range resistance, and then we saw price now come back and it has crashed below the previous low. So now what do? What we should expect is let's go down to the daily and look at what we should be looking out for. So now what I would suggest is that if price comes into okay, let me zoom out a little. Okay, so if price comes into this zone, which is the 0.775155 area, and it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a buy. That will be my suggestion. I suggest you go for a buy trade in that case, and go for a one-to-one, right? Because this is a bearish market. You don't want to overstay your welcome. You can go for a one-to-one in that scenario and take your profit using the bullish day close candle as your risk candle. Now, so let's look at this other one as well. Let's look at another scenario. What other scenario should we be looking out for? So if we see price push high and maybe come into this zone, so if we see a lot of price action, and then price pushes high and comes into this 0.84001 zone, and it gives us a bearish day close up below that zone, right? If price closes gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a sell. You can go for a one-to-one sell in that scenario, right? Or better still, you can go for a sell that will come back into this area of the market, right? That should be a 1 to 3 or even 1 to 6, 1 to 5 or 6, or even more possibly, right? It's possible it can even do that. But if you are very confident in the trend, you can as well just hold price or hold the market and let it go as far as you think it would go, right? You can just let it continue selling off. You might be lucky enough to get into the next leg of the bearish trend, right? But that is what I will be looking out for if I'm looking for a bearish scenario in this market, right now. Don't forget, don't take any of these trades if they don't meet your own personal trading confirmation. Don't forget that, because you're not going to blame me for your losses. You're not going to blame me for your losses in any way at all. So that's my analysis for USDCHF. I'm just taking a quick look to see if there's something I'm missing out that I should mention. I think that's okay. Now this sell is in the trend, in the direction of the trend, right? So you might want to go for more than a one-to-one, but I'll suggest you go for a one-to-one to be on the safe side. But if you think it's going to be a trend continuation, you can also go for more than a one-to-one. So that's for USDCHF. Let's go to USDJPY. Now for USDJPY, what do we have here? Well, we've seen that the market has been very bullish. You can tell from here. You can see that, it's very clear. The market has been very bullish. But in recent times, we've been seeing some moves. And is this a range? Is this another trend? We can't say for now. But we've seen consistently in the past few months, in some months right now, I don't think it's even few anymore, because this was 2023, December 2023. So we've seen in a couple of months, we've seen price consistently use this area as a support zone. So is that going to happen again? I don't really know. So is this a range? I wouldn't say it's a range. I wouldn't call it a range. But maybe I'll just call it a pause, or maybe it's just the market being slow. Possibly it's going to continue upwards. Who knows? Maybe it's going to continue as a bullish trend. Well, I can't say for now. But this will be my prediction. Let's go to the daily time frame now. This will be my prediction. If price comes into the zone, if price comes into this 140.315 zone, and then it gives us a bullish day close above that zone. If price gives us a bullish day close, if price gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I would suggest that you go for a buy. Yeah, I'll suggest you go for a buy. You can go for a one-to-one buy. Yeah, you can go for a one-to-one buy and leave it there. Don't try to go for more than a one-to-one. In my opinion, I don't think you should try to go for more than a one-to-one, because the market has not yet given us a clear, or let me say rather that I am not clear yet on the direction of the market, right? So it's been very bullish for some years, and I think some years, and now it's quite slow. It's not really as bullish as it was in the past. So you just want to make sure you don't overstay your welcome. Just go for a one-to-one. If you get that bullish day close above that zone, if you get the market come into that zone and then give a bullish day close above that zone, you can just go for a one-to-one. Yeah. So in another scenario, I'll suggest that if price comes into this zone, if price comes into the 151.781 zone and then gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a one-to-one sell in that scenario. Go for a one-to-one sell. If price comes into that price zone or price area and then it gives us a bearish day close below that zone or below that price area, then you can go for a one-to-one sell using the bearish day close candle as your risk candle. Go for a one-to-one risk reward sell in that scenario. Yeah, so that's what I'll be suggesting for that scenario. Don't forget, don't take any of these trades if they don't meet your own personal trading confirmation. So like I said, just a quick recap. I said if price comes into this area, if price comes into this 140.315 zone and then gives us a bullish day close above that zone, if price comes into that zone and again gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then you can go for, then I suggest that you go for a buy. You can use using the bullish day close candle as your risk candle, go for a one-to-one buy. Now in this scenario, in the bearish scenario, if price comes into this 151.781 zone and then gives us a bearish day close below that zone, you can go for a one-to-one risk reward as well, using the bearish candle, the bearish day close candle as your risk candle. Go for a one-to-one. The bullish scenario, I said go for a one-to-one risk reward ratio, or go for a one-to-one risk reward if price comes into the 140.315 zone and then gives us a bullish day close above that zone. So these scenarios, don't forget that you should only take any of them if they meet your own personal trading confirmation. Don't forget that at all. So yeah, so that's my analysis for the USDJPY as well. So before I leave, let me remind you quickly that I offer free forex signal service on the Mike N channel. So if you want free forex signals, go to the Mike N channel now. And how do you get there? You can check the description below, copy the link in the description below to the Mike N channel, paste it in your browser and visit that link, or visit the site, and it will take you to the Mike Earn. It's the Telegram. It's going to take you to the Mike Earn Telegram channel, so you can go ahead and join the channel, and you'll get free trading signals. Free trading signals that are highly profitable. Yes, highly profitable. I know what I'm talking about. These signals are derived from highly profitable trading systems that are tested and trusted. So go ahead and join the channel and you will get the signals. So that is it. And also, I offer account management service. If you like to get, if you like me to manage your trading account, my direct contact is in the description below. My DM is available. Go to the description below. Copy the link to my direct telegram channel or my direct telegram contact. Copy the link, enter my DM and chat me up. So the link to my DM, the link to my telegram DM is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, visit the site, and then it will lead you to my DM, and then you chat me up and let me know that you want to get the account management. You would like to engage my account management service. Yeah, it's really going to help you because I'm a very profitable trader. Yeah, I'm a very profitable trader. So just go ahead and let's talk about it. We'll talk about everything, the amount, the profit sharing, and everything you need to know. So thank you so much for watching this video. You can share, you can like, you can comment. Thank you so much. Bye bye.